Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, before answering the question, and first I thank the Honourable Member, but may I take this opportunity to acknowledge the services of the former commander, Rear Admiral Bilamino Poto, and of course acknowledge his dear wife as well, Lillian, for the 30 plus years of dedicated services to the forces. And I also congratulate once again the incoming Commander, Brigadier General Rochone Kalunwai, and wish him well as he takes up the role, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, since 2018, may I also acknowledge all the former peacekeepers, including your good self, Honourable Speaker, sir, for their contribution to global peace and stability and security. And of course, wish good health and safety as well to those that are in the mission fields. Honourable Speaker, sir, since 2018, the RFMF had been contributing troops to these 5 mission areas. We're still continuing with the multinational force and observers in Sinai, a non-UN mission, and the United Nations Disengagement and Observer Force, UNDOF, in the Golan Heights, Syria, the United Nations Assistant Mission in Iraq, UNAMI, the United Nations Mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, that is in South Sudan, Mr. Speaker, sir, and of course the United Nations Truce Supervision Organization, UNSO, the mission which is spread across Syria, Israel, Lebanon, Egypt, and Jordan. Additionally, Mr. Speaker, sir, in 2019, Fiji was invited to contribute a senior officer to take on the appointment of Chief Observer Group Golan under the United Nations Truce Supervision Organization, UNSO. This is the first time Fiji being offered a senior appointment in UNSO, Mr. Speaker, sir, and it was an opportune time for the RFMF to nominate a female officer. In its effort to promote women in peacekeeping, the position is rotated amongst countries in the mission. Currently, Colonel Silipa Ndrubesi Wananalangi is on that post, Mr. Speaker, sir. Also in 2019, Fiji was again invited to contribute a military observer to the mission in Yemen. And the officer that was first deployed spent 16 months due to COVID-19 restrictions. Initially, it was just for a 1-year period, but of course because of the COVID restrictions. But the RFMS is fortunate that we have been asked to send a replacement, and we hope that Fiji will also be able to maintain its footprint in that mission, and of course any other prospective missions under the United Nations, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you.